Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and this video is going to be all about the TISNET mocks. भैया कौन से mocks देने हैं for TISNET, which mocks are ideal for TISNET, कौन सा mocks purchase करूँ, I have very few days left, and कैसे mocks का free arrange हो सकता है. So all queries related to the TISNET mocks will be answered in this video, will be discussed in this video. So if this is relevant to you, keep watching. So hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to divide this video in three categories, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, please like it. I'm going to divide this video in three parts. First is the preparation, second is the mocks, and third is the strategy. Okay, so when it comes to the TISNET preparation, I hope you have already started preparation. You have from a year or 6 months, or you have already prepared for CAT or XAT, IFT, SNAP, other exams, right? Like for the MBA entrances. So if you have already prepared for other entrances, battle is not going to be very tough for you. Let me be very frank. Okay, you just need to take the mocks directly and frame your strategy. Okay, so for students who have not prepared for other entrances at all and are completely dependent on TISNET or few other exams, so for them, already the preparation, I've made various videos on which sources you can use for quant, DILR, verbal. TISNET is not a very tough examination. Okay, GK forms a major part of the exam, which consists of 40 marks. So right now, if you haven't yet started for the GK, don't worry, start now. Okay, for static GK I have already mentioned sources. For current GK I had already mentioned sources. So go through my previous videos on TISNET GK preparation, and for quant, DILR, and I have also made the videos on that where can you prepare for that. You can check out my Telegram channel where I've uploaded all the sources. There's an Excel document also here, and you can find everything on my Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel now. Also guys, in my Telegram channel I keep posting relevant resources. I have made TISNET preparation group, and more than 1,000 people are a part of that group now. If you haven't joined that channel, the link is in the description. There are two channels. One is a Telegram channel, one is the preparation group. So on Telegram, two things will be there. I'll be linking both in the description box. Okay, so this video will focus mostly on the mocks. Okay, mocks part, भैया कौन से mocks देने हैं, आपने कौन से mocks use किए थे भैया at your time. Okay, so when it comes to me, I did not use any specific mocks for TISNET. Okay, so there is a caveat. Don't be surprised कि यार इसने बिना TISNET mocks से कैसे crack कर लिया. Okay, because I had taken 40-50 mocks of CAT, around 50 mocks of Maharashtra CET for GBIMS, and around 8 mocks for IFT, 5-6 mocks for XAT, SNAP K mocks, and then TISNET was coming. I had already gone through the process of taking mocks. So only difference in all these entrance examinations is there is some exams में GK नहीं होता है, किसी में होता है. TISNET में GK है. So I knew that I don't have to focus on anything else but GK mostly in the last part, like 1 or 2 months before the TISNET, and I have to solve the past year TISNET ka papers. So past year TISNET papers is sufficient according to me. You must go through that if you have already prepared for CAT and other entrances. But if you are just preparing for TISNET, you should take last year, like past year TISNET exams, wo to lene hi lene hai, but also you should take purchase mocks of TISNET from different coaching institutes. Not be dependent on one coaching institute, because you will get a different flavor if you join different coaching institutes ka mocks. Only the mocks I am talking about. So this is specially for people who are just preparing for TISNET. You should buy mocks from at least 1 or 2 institutes. Now when it comes to the mocks, कौन सा brand है, कौन सा coaching है जो अच्छे mocks देता है? So honestly, because I haven't used any specific mocks of TISNET and I haven't gone through their interface at all, so I cannot comment on it. So also trust me that there are various coaching institutes that approach me for YouTube collaboration, for brand deals, that please suggest our mocks to aspirants. We'll give you certain 10%, 20% if they buy mocks. I promote their TISNET mocks on my channel. They'll be giving me certain percentage for every purchase made. But I have refused every coaching classes that I will not be promoting your mocks at all. Okay, trust me on this. There are various Instagram DMs, LinkedIn DMs that please promote promote our mocks, but no, because I have not used it personally, I do not want to recommend any specific mocks to you. The ideal strategy in this case would be what? The ideal strategy here would be get mingle with other testnet aspirants either on Pagal Guy. They must be having certain, they must have purchased mocks of at least one institute who is a serious testnet aspirant. अभी तक उसने एक mock ले लिया होगा. So he can give his login ID password to you. You can give your login ID password to that guy. So you purchase one coaching institute ka mock, the other guy has other coaching institute ka mock. You both share it with each other. So in turn you get access to two different coaching ka mocks. So this is ideal strategy. This is what I used to do when you know I used to take other mocks कि भाई exchange कर लेते हैं. वैसे भी 40 mocks है, तू 40 तो देने नहीं वाला है, 20 में देता हूँ, 20 तू दे, 20 में टाइम का देता था, 20 वो IMS का देता था, and we used to exchange. So I used to get access to both time and IMS का mocks. For CAT I am talking about. So similarly you can do for testnet. So अभी आप पूछोगे भैया मेरे कोई ऐसे फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादा है नहीं, सर्कल नहीं है जो testnet के serious aspirants है. So I have already made a Telegram channel, Telegram preparation group. So I am going one step further to add value to you, to help you find the mocks. What are we going to do to get access to different mocks? मैंने एक Google form बनाया है. So what you have to do is just fill in your name, just fill in which testnet mocks you have currently. Similarly, everyone who is watching this video who has purchased testnet mocks or are looking for testnet mocks, fill this form. Whether you have testnet mocks or do not have, you can fill it form. If you do not have, you can mention you do not have currently, but you are going to purchase and willing to share with others. So only people who are willing to share their mocks with someone else will get access to someone else's mocks. So this way I'll publish the list of all the people who have filled this form. I'll put it in my Telegram channel so that you have access to which person is having which mocks, so you can connect with the person. So that way we are going to form a WhatsApp group. मैं एक link बना दूंगा on my Telegram channel. Whoever has filled the form and mentioned their mobile number, they will be added to the WhatsApp group. Okay, तो suppose example लेते हैं, person A, person B. Person A के पास कोई mocks है एक particular institute का, person B के पास है दूसरे किसी institute का. इसने फॉर्म भरा, इसने भी फॉर्म भरा. फॉर्म में आ गया दोनों का नाम, दोनों का मोबाइल नंबर, जो मैं पब्लिश करूंगा इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल आफ्टर 3 और 4 डेज. तो यहाँ पे पता चल जाएगा अरे इसके पास X मॉक है, इसके पास Y मॉक है. सो अपन दोनों एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. सो ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप यू कैन टेल विच मॉक्स यू हैव. लेट्स कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. आई एम हैविंग X मॉक, एनीवन वांट टू शेयर द Y मॉक्स विथ मी, प्लीज DM me. So he can directly approach you on WhatsApp, and likewise you can share the login IDs and share the mocks with each other. Hope guys the intention of this video is very clear to you. It's to help you get access to various different mocks, because I am not in a position to describe one testnet mocks which is good, because I have not personally used any testnet mocks myself. So I do not find it logical to suggest you anything or promote any XYZ coaching institutes ka mocks just because they are paying me money. So no, that's not my style. So what happens after you give the mocks? So the main importance of taking mocks is forming your strategy. Okay, you know there are 3 or 4 sections like VARC is there, DILR is there, there's quants and there's GK. So 4 sections are there in testnet. So when you take mocks, you know your score, then you find कि यार मैंने अगर quant पहले किया होता, verbal बाद में किया होता, verbal पहले किया होता quant, so I might have scored well. So next time मैं देखता हूँ कि ऐसा ऐसा switch करके, third time मैं देखता हूँ अगर मैं GK पहले करता हूँ, GK बाद में करता हूँ, what's the impact? So like after taking 5-6 mocks, you'll realize कि how much you're scoring well, what should be your strategy, and trust me, it will be different for different people. And likewise, then you can form your own strategy for the D-Day. Now is the time to take one mock every day. Okay, one mock every day till the final exam. And first of all, mocks लेने से पहले past year testnet के papers solve करो. मैंने जितने भी पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स है टिस्नेट के डाल दिए हैं इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल. यू जस्ट हैव टू गो जॉइन द टेलीग्राम चैनल, जॉइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, और वहाँ पे मीडिया फाइल्स में आप अगर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको सारे प्रीवियस PDF जो मैंने शेयर किए हैं आपको दिख जाएंगे. सो यू विल गेट एक्सेस टू ऑल द प्रीवियस टिस्नेट पेपर्स. So alright guys, what you have to do, only 3 steps. Like and subscribe to the channel, first step. Second is fill the Google form and mention the details mentioned in the form. And third step, in my Telegram channel I'll be uploading that list and a link to the WhatsApp group. जिसने भी form भरा है, जिसने भी like share किया है, they will be added to that WhatsApp group where you can exchange mocks with other aspirants of testnet. Alright guys, time कम बचा है. I hope you are persistent, I hope you are consistent, doing hard work every day, because you'll be going to see the fruits of your efforts very soon. And trust me, this is the time to be positive, to enjoy the process, enjoy your preparation, guys. This phase is very awesome. You'll miss this phase of preparation after all the MBA entrances are done, trust me. So enjoy this phase. Be diligent every day, be consistent with your studies, and I hope you'll rock the TISNET examination. I'll be making continuous videos on this channel which are very relevant to TISNET and the interview and whatever will happen after the next stages. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit on all notifications. Okay guys, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, stay all sorted.